Downwind, 304, there you go. There we go, so we got the crab set up now, right? Right. So we'll hold that crab in there, that'll kind of give you an idea of what our slope's going to look like. So we don't, let's see, we need a little bit. We're also going to get a little bit of bump coming off these trees and houses up here. Don't try and get the nose right on top of the runway. We don't have to do that just yet. Now we'll start putting in that slip. Alright, so take our wings to the right. That'll keep us from getting blown off the runway, and that rudder's going to keep the nose on the center line of the runway. Nope. Get away. I'm that guy wouldn't. Move the point throttle. Move the throttle pretty slow. There you go. See how we keep the crosswind correction in there? Yep. Use that rudder to keep us on the center line. There we go. And now we can go back to that crab. Very nice. And you notice right there, right before we got on top of the runway, we got kind of slow. Quiet.